let's open it. It comes in a box like this, very simple, small. They packaged it very well, but let's open it. My special knife for this one, because Rode is Australian company, I'm based in Australia. I get these products a bit easier, like quick delivery, but I don't know how it works for other countries. Yeah, so you got this box, and then you got this white box. So I'm gonna open this thing. I have my camera focuses. Yeah, so it comes with two cases inside. One of them has the accessories and one of them has the microphones with the receivers and transmitters and these kind of things. So we're gonna take the first one out. It comes like in a case like this. So when you see the charging port, this is the one was faulty when I bought it, the first one, and I got replacement. But now when I click, it shows red. So I hope it works. So yep, this is fine. The other one doesn't have a USB charging port because it has the accessories inside it. And then we got some manuals, and then a long cable. Oh, it's a USB-C cable. So we got the USB-C cable that charges it. I don't know why it's not focusing. So yeah, and then the box itself. Other than that, I think we're gonna go and open one of the boxes, one of the cases. This one, the accessories. The good thing with this microphone is that it comes with the lavalier microphone. It means it has two lavalier microphone that you can hook it to the receivers and use it. So you see now here on the top you have some USBs for like if you want to use it with your phone, like it comes with USB-C, lightning, and headphone jack, which is red color. I really like it. And then after that you got these magnets you put on the receivers, and if you want to put it on the shirt, then it makes it much easier. Like some people prefer it with these ones. So it's pretty strong magnet. Look. Yep, I like them. And let's open the other port. This is getting annoying. So this port has the, what do you call that? This is like a protection material thing. We got a cloth for cleaning, Rode logo on it, and these are the lavaliers. You see, it comes with the locking mechanism on the audio jack, lavaliers, and then you got some instructions again, and then you got the sound, what do you call that? The filters for the lavalier microphone, the sound filters, pop filter, and the clips inside this bag. And you got the wind muffs here. I think we got like a couple of them, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, we're gonna put this back, and then we're gonna work on opening the other box, which has the actual things, the microphone, the receiver and stuff. I'm gonna keep one of these to test it out. So all you need is just close it like this. That's a zip. I don't mind it. Sometimes it's just really good if you want to put it in the back. It doesn't make noise because of the quality of it. It's not like a scratchy plastic thing. But yeah, I just like it. So this one, let's say its charge is low, but let me open this up and see what's got. So once you open it, it's like this. It has the receivers and transmitter. So it's like a TRX. Oh no, it's TX1, and then I forgot the names. TX1, TX2, and then RX for the receiver. So you see that these are labeled correctly. TX1, TX2 for the transmitters, and RX for the receiver, which is this one, and has a small screen at the bottom. Oh, we're gonna peel the screen off now. So you just peel the screen off. So you see that, and yeah, it shows the levels of microphone because I have opened one of them, and it shows that I'm getting the audio for that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And this is the transmitter. Again, some notes on it. I really like it. It's just great quality. 32-bit float, internal onboard storage 32 gigabyte. And yeah, you have the audio jack, and it's just pretty cool because when you want to record it, you just tap it one time and it comes red, and then you tap it back, it goes back. It's just easy. You don't know how much of a difference it makes when you do client shoot or when you do like just shoots and you want to make sure your audio is getting recorded. So I always use the onboard recording because it has 32 gigabytes internal storage, each one of them, just for the backups for my audio. So yeah, these microphones work. So the way it goes back is like you have the, for example, receiver, and you just look at it, and TX, any of the TX ones, TX1 or TX2, doesn't matter, you just put it like this, click, and then you have the transmitter. It goes to the RX, and then it just goes click, close it back, and then the charging port. One thing which is really good with this one, with the case, that you can put the WinMAPs if you want to use it inside the case and then close it. That works. Also, if you want to use these ones, I'll show you how we can use it. I'm gonna take out one of the transmitters. So this one has two ports. One of them is the metal one, goes at the back of the transmitter. One of them is the only magnet with the rubber around it. Very good. So I'm gonna put the rubber down. How you put it, see these clips, you just put it back here, just push it, just goes very, push it in. See, now you have that metal cover for the clip. So if you want to use it with the magnet, how you, let's say if you have shirt, if you have your shirt between, just click, and then now you have a magnetic one, like if you want to speak like this. And yeah, I also have a, you can also put it like this inside the case. I also have a road interview goal. So if you're thinking about getting some this microphone, you can invest on something like this. This one was on discount, 25 Australian dollar. It's very good for like an interview style. So all you do is you take the WinMAP off. I don't know why it's not focusing. And then you put that clip inside this one. Let me see if we can work with the metal bit. No, it doesn't work with that metal we had. So you just have to take that metal off, which is a bit annoying. I wish it would work. Come on. Yep. So now you just put this one and then push it in. You put the pop filter like that. It works now. So if you create videos also, I really like it. Because the reason I really like it, I really got this one. Even if it was like $100, I would get it. I'm just saying because I just don't like holding the microphone like this. It just doesn't look professional. And yeah, if you like this microphone, this, I don't know how much it cost me, 350 something dollar, Australian dollar. Yeah, it was the unboxing, and I hope you like it. We're gonna wrap up this video here. So you see the magnet, let's say you're not using it and you want to put it back in the case. So the annoying thing is that it just, because it's so strong, it will clip on one of these. So I'll just usually put between one of these that it stays good. So I'll do that here. So now it's inside here, so I can close it. That's fine. Very high quality cable. It's not that long, but I really like it. And I'm gonna open this thing. I'm gonna put it in the charge. If it charges, good news, because last time when I put it in charge, it just died. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. Ah yes, it's charging, because now you can see it's charging. It's blinking green. I've plugged it to my MacBook. For first time, just to make sure you're not breaking the, or just to make sure like you're safe, just plug it in a charger which doesn't have really high what do you call power, like 200 watt or 160 watt, something like that. Just put it, like plug it in your laptop, that it gets enough charge in the batteries, because it's not been used for ages, because it's been stayed in the box. Yeah, I've plugged it in. Now it stays there. I'll see you in the next one. This one very cool, like you can put it on the shelves, like doesn't make noise. I have metal shelves. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.